video, I'll demonstrate how to create prescription files for variable rate applications. Firstly, you'll need farm maps to create production zones. You can zone your paddocks based on biomass imagery or yield data. To create prescription files from imagery, first select the biomass index. Select either daily, monthly, or seasonal images. For this video, we will select seasonal and use multiple seasons. Ensure the imagery is clipped to either your farm or paddock, then select Create Zone Maps. We recommend using either 3 or 4 zones for optimal results. Newly created zone maps will be saved in the Zones tab. Simply click on the eye symbol to have them displayed. Now that you have production zones for each paddock, we can begin to create the variable rate prescription. You can either create prescriptions from zones or from managed plans and actuals. Let's first take a look at creating prescription files from zones. Delve down into the farm and paddock using the left-hand arrows. Here you will see a list of zones and the total area of each zone. From the paddock level, click the 3 dots and select Create Prescription File. Here you can select a product as per your new logic or detect recommendation. Then start adding the recommended rates. As you add your rates to each zone, you'll see the total amount of product required calculated at the bottom. When you're ready to create a new prescription for a different product, simply click Add New Product, and each prescription will be saved separately under My Data. Next, let's take a look at how to create prescription files from paddock plans. Navigate to Manage and Manage Plans and Actuals. Here you can create a paddock plan. Select the season and farm, then simply click on your first paddock. Click on the pencil symbol to add the crop type and target yield. Then begin adding your new logic or detect recommended products. Add the application placement and timing. It should be noted that you can create a prescription file for a single rate application or for variable rate. Click Variable Rate to add multiple rates, then select the zone map from the list. Here you can see the one that we created earlier. Another helpful tip is to have zones open in another tab. This way you can switch between the 2 tabs quickly and easily to make reference of your zones. Add the recommended rate to each zone and click Save. To move on to your next paddock, either click the next paddock on your map or use the back button to return to the paddock list. If you have an existing paddock plan, simply navigate to Manage Plans and Actuals, use the season filter to find your plan, and then click the pencil icon to continue editing it. Here you will see a list of all your paddocks, the crop type, and each of your product applications. To see a summary of this, click Show Summary. The total product required for multiple paddocks is calculated in the summary and is also shown in the downloadable report. You can also see the average rate, the total tonnes per month, and the breakdown of your cropping program, including the percentage of crop and your crop rotations. To download the prescription, click Download File. Here you can select to download the PDF report and/or your prescription files. Use the filter to limit the download to the selected crop, product, month or placement to suit your work plans. Finally, when you're ready to download the file, select All Paddocks or Variable Rate Paddocks Only. Select the machinery manufacturer that will be used and then click Download. The prescription file will be downloaded in the correct format for the selected machine. The files are then saved under My Data, under Prescriptions, and then either Biomass Prescriptions or Plan Prescriptions, depending on how you created them.